Coretech Aurangabad Private Limited was established in Aurangabad in 2014 in MIDC Vaduz, Aurangabad. It gives us pleasure to introduce ourselves as engaged in manufacturing of automobile wiring harness since last few years. Coretech Group has been providing products in order to meet the demands of customer, society and the times we live in. In the key industrial sector, the group has been engaged in such area as electrical, electronics and automobile. Coretech is ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Also participated in lean manufacturing practices. Through our innovative ideas, the Coretech Group play key role from R&D, production and quality control for our customer. The needs of our customer rapidly changing and the Coretech are capable to satisfying requirement of clients. Coretech Aurangabad Private Limited specialize in supplying automobile wire harness as well as harness for home appliances like tea, coffee vending machine, cooler and refrigerator. We have own 5000 square feet area with 4000 square feet built up area. Includes all facilities and machinery like automatic wire cutting, stripping and twisting machine, crimping machine, automatic sleeve cutting machine and testing equipment. Our major customer are Hirdak Autocom Private Limited, LAPL Automotive Private Limited and Jab Equipment Private Limited. We purchase child part like multi-stand wire, brass terminal, rubber part, connectors, sleeves from authorized supplier as per customer requirement. Thanking you and assuring you for best service at all times.